Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to discuss about Mathematics-2B in intermediate second year TS and AP. The question paper analysis, how to score 75 marks in the public examination. What type of questions we may expect in the public exam. So these are the analysis I'm going to do that. Those who are watching first time, you can share to your friends and relatives. I already done the video made on Mathematics 1B. Now we will enter into the Mathematics 2B. On Sunday, Mathematics A, Maths 1A paper. What type of questions they may chances to ask in the public exam. So for that, how to score 75? Some students are asking, sir, if you prepare in that way 75, yes sir. Some planning I am giving here. If you implement the planning, what I am discussing here, thoroughly, 100% you will get it 75, no doubt about it. Be confident, be positive and do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. So, that is the reason. So now come to Mathematics 2B paper. We have 3 sections in the question paper. In the first section, you all know that VSAQ, very short answer type question, each carries 2 marks. In this section, there is no choice at all. We need to attempt the questions. Now, in the section B, short answer type questions from question number 11 to question number 17. Out of 7 questions, we need to attempt any 5. Each carries 4 marks, 20 marks. So each carries 4 marks, dear students. In section C, from 18 to 24 questions, each carries 7 marks. Here also, out of 7, any 5 we have to write. Each carries 7 marks. Now I will come to some charting box. Some students, they are making, sometimes they are charting. Maximum I will give preference for explaining the concept to the students. Please don't mind when I am not coming to the charting session. Why? Because I was busy. I want to give more information about that. Now come to question number 1, question number 2. In question number 1, question number 2, circles topic. Question number 3, system of circles, SOC, system of circles. Question number 4, parabola. Question number 5, hyperbola. So first 5 questions which all belongs to geometry. Next 5 questions belongs to calculus part. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question number 6 and question number 7, indefinite integration. Indefinite integrals or simply integration. Question number 8 and question number 9, definite integration. Definite integration. Question number 10, differential equations. Differential equations. Question number 10. Now, question number 11, circles. Question number 12, system of circles. Question number 13 and 14, ellipse. Question number 15, hyperbola. Question number 16, definite integration. Definite integrals. Question number 17, differential equations. Differential equation. I hope you understand, dear students. Now come to section C. What questions, what chapters related questions they are asking. Question number 18 and 19, circles. So circles weightage in complete question paper is 22 marks. Two marks question means 4, 4 marks question. 4 plus 4 8, 7 marks questions. 14 plus 8 22. So question number 18 19 circles. Question number 20 parabola. Question number 21 22 indefinite integration. Indefinite. Next, indefinite integration. 2 integration questions, dear students. Question number 23 definite integration. Definite. Question number 24 differential equations. Differential equations. This is the question paper pattern in the TS and AP. In Mathematics-2B, first I am talking about the VSAQ'S segment. In the VSAQ'S segment, first question number, section 1 I am taking. Question number 1, question number 2, both are related to circles. In the circles, what type of questions they are asking? So first preference, in the exercise 1A in the circles, first exercise very important. First exercise. In that, find the equation of circle, first type. Possibilities I am telling dear students. Find the equation of circle passing through 2, 3, whose center at -4, 3, like these questions. Find the equation of circle passing through point and whose center at the point. Next, second question, direct question. Find the equation of circle whose center 2, -3 and radius 5 units. X minus h whole square plus, this is center h, k. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. That type of question. Question number 3, they will give some equation. A 3x square plus 1 equation I am giving one, this model. Plus 6x plus 7y minus 5 equal to 0. Find center and radius of the circle. Whenever the equation is given in this way, first you have to convert the given equation into general form. So dividing by 3. So this equation will become like this now. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 7 by 3y minus 5 by 3. After that, center and radius, how to calculate this equation by comparing general equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then g value, f value, c value will get it. Radius r equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Like these questions. This is the third model. Now come to the fourth one. They will give the equation in the second degree form. Like ax square plus 5xy, 2bxy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y minus 9 equal to 0. If it represents a circle, find the values of a and b. Sometimes not only finding the values of a, b and also center and radius of the circle. So for this some concepts are there. The second degree general equation represents a circle. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square and coefficient of xy equal to 0. So according to this equation, a is equal to 3 will come. Xy coefficient 0 means 2b equal to 0, obviously b value 0. So after that, this equation converting into the general equation. After getting general equation, we can write the center and radius. Okay. Now, concentric equation. Find the equation of concentric circle to the given equation of circle. So this is the given equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Find the concentric, this concept now. Concentric equation of circle. Those who are watching, please write it in the notes. What type of questions they are asking in the category of 2 questions. Number of possibilities are there. We cannot expect, but we need to do that concepts. Concentric circle. Find the concentric circle to this given equation and passing through some point they will give 2, minus 14 like this. So that time, in place of this constant, whatever it is given in the equation, you can replace with c dash or k. So concentric equation for this is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash equal to 0. This is called concentric equation of the circle. Sir, how to get c dash value? This point is given now 2 comma minus 14. This we can substitute in this, getting the value of c dash. Okay, I hope you understand. Concentric circle. Next, diametric form. They will give circle ends of the diameter a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2. They will give x1 y1, x2 y2 values. Find the equation of circle whose end points of the diameter or extremities of the diameter. Apply this formula: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. I am talking about first exercise, 2 marks concepts only, dear students. And seventh one here, parametric equations. Parametric equations. Parametric equations. In the parametric equation, 3 types of circles are there. Suppose the circle is in this form: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. The parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. You remember, dear students. If the circle is in this form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this circle center h comma k now. So in place of h comma k, for this circle center is minus g minus f. So equations will becomes x equal to minus g plus r cos theta, y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta. Suppose the circle equation is like this: x square plus y square equal to r square. So in this h comma k value is 0. So in place of h comma k put 0. So x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. These are the equations of parametric equation of the respective circles, dear students. Not only these 7, but also one model is there. Which one is? They will give circle equation: x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y, just general equation I am giving, plus c equal to 0, whose radius is 6 units. Find the value of c. So that time how to do is compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2z equal to 2. So g value is what? 1 no? 2f equal to 4, f is equal to 2. C is c only. Radius r is equal to 6 is given. Radius formula write it. R is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. R value substitute 6. Root of g square 1 square, 2 square 4 minus c. After the squaring on both sides, simplify, c value will come. This type of question also chances are there, dear students. I hope you understand the questions which are belongs to first exercise. I will move on to another questions. Be patient and listen, dear students. You will get it number of models. You make a note also in the notebook. What type of questions? Number of possibilities are there in the circles. We need to work out. Each model one more question. I already kept the videos of VSAQ'S, especially from calculus and geometry. Some of the students, they saw already the videos. Still anyone required, please share to them. Now come to second exercise, length of tangent. Length of tangent formula, root s11, that is equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2zx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This is the formula for length of tangent. Based on this, you have the questions. In the second exercise, second bit, 2 questions are there. If the length of tangent is root 39, find the value of k. If the length of tangent is 1 unit, find the value of k. Like this questions are there. After that, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. S1 equal to 0. xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Equation of normal. X minus x1 into y1 plus f is equal to y minus y1 into x1 plus g. Equation of normal. 2 marks question. They will give one circle equation, one point. Point is x1, y1, circle equation. From that gf values you can calculate and substitute. Okay? Length of tangent, length of normal. Next, if you come to the fourth exercise, we have number of possibilities. Pole of the line. Pole. They will give one circle equation x square plus y square equal to r square. One line also they will give lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Find the pole of the line with respect to this circle. Formula minus lr square by n minus mr square by n. 2 marks question. From this r square value, from this element value, substitute and get it. Find pole of the line with respect to the given circle. Next, conjugate points. Conjugate points. So 2 points they will give and circle equation also they will give. How to find out? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So 2 points is given, one circle is given. They are asking to prove the points are conjugate. Simply you prove that s12 equal to 0. What is s12? x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus g into x plus x1. x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. If you prove this value 0, the points are conjugate. And one more important. Among these 2 points, any one of them is unknown value. Like 1 comma k, 2 comma minus 3. Or conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 35. Just general question. So applying this concept, s12 equal to 0 and k value we can get it, dear students. So conjugate points is also over. Next, chord of contact. Chord of contact. Chord of contact. They will give one circle equation, 1 point. So chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. Again S1 equal to 0 means tangent equation. Even polar equation also they will ask. Find the polar of P with respect to S is equal to 0. Even there also S1 equal to 0 formula. So these are the possibilities from the 4th exercise. Pole, polar, chord of contact, conjugate points. Next, in the last exercise, we may expect internal center of similitude, ICS, and external center of similitude. Internal center of similitude formula R1x2 plus R2x1 by R1 plus R2. R1y2 plus R2y1 by R1 plus R2. External means minus R1x2 minus R2x1 by R1 minus R2. R1y2 minus R2y1 by R1 minus R2. Based on relative position of 2 circles, they will give 2 circles. How many common tangents are possible for the pair of circles? Like this they may make chances to ask the question. So these are the possibilities in first 2 questions. See here how many concepts we covered. These many concepts. And here one more I missed that concept. The location of the point in the circle. They will give one circle equation, 1 point also. Find the position of the point with respect to the circle. Suppose for that what you have to do, power of point you can calculate S11. This is called power of point. S11 means power of point. If S11 value greater than 0, point is outside. If S11 is equal to 0, point lies on that. S11 is less than 0, point is lies inside the circle. So this is the position of point with respect to the circle in the plane. These are the possibilities in first 2 questions, dear students. Now we will move to the system of circles. So in the system of circles we have very less possibilities. That also I will show that. What type of questions? If you are really interested, dear students, please share to your friends also. Those who are interested, those who like this, please share. Why? Because we can share the knowledge with others also. For them also it will be good. They will also utilize. Now question number 3 in this system of circles. System of circles. In the system of circles category, first cos theta, angle between the circles. C plus C dash minus 2GG dash minus 2FF dash divided by 2 into root of G square plus F square minus C. Root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Cos theta formula. Next, orthogonal condition. Orthogonality. Orthogonality. 2gg dash plus 2ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. Condition for orthogonality of circles, dear students. Next, they will give two circles. Find radical axis. Two circles they will give. S is equal to 0, S dash equal to 0. This radical axis formula for 3. When the circles intersecting, common chord formula also, common chord. When the circles touch each other, common tangent. They given two circles. If they are asking to find common tangent, simply you can calculate S minus S dash equal to 0. It is formula for common chord, common tangent and radical axis. Even for radical axis also, S minus S dash. In finding radical axis, one twist is there, dear students. Please remember, both the circles sometimes not given in the general form. One circle they will give as it is, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Another circle, 3 into x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. Like this they will give. Find radical axis of the both the circles they will ask. So whenever you are going to apply, this is S, this is S dash na, according to the formula. But don't subtract directly. Whenever you are writing the formula S minus S dash equal to 0, the second equation it is not in the general form. First making into general form. How to make? Dividing by 3. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 8 by 3y plus 7 by 3 equal to 0. Now it will become S dash. This equation of circle minus this equation of circle. Then only common tangent, radical axis will come here. Okay. Cos theta orthogonal, radical axis. If the circles are orthogonal, find the value of k. Like this questions also they based on this condition, orthogonality condition. Find the value of k if the circles cuts orthogonally. Like this question. Okay. And in the second exercise, common chord, common tangent only it is there, dear students. And one more important, after radical axis, radical center is there. Radical, sometimes they are asking for 4 marks, sometimes they are asking for 2 marks. Radical center. So they will give 3 circles now. S, S dash, F double dash. S minus S dash equal to 0. One radical axis of these two. S dash minus S double dash equal to 0. Solve these two equations, radical center will come. R of x comma y, radical center. Subtracting first equation from second equation, one equation. Second equation from third equation, or third equation from second equation. Solve these two equations simultaneously. You will get R of x comma y. This is called radical center of the given circles. So these are the possibilities in system of circles. Cos theta 1. Cos theta not only this one, but also another formula is there. Cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. Even you can apply this formula also instead of that. What is d here represents? D represents distance between their centers. C1, C2 are the centers of the circles. Okay, these are the possibilities for system of circles. I will move to the parabola, dear students. In the question number 4 category, parabola, what type of questions are there? First one, focus they will give and vertex they will give. Find parabola equation. Find parabola. Focus they will give, vertex they will give. One possibility. Next possibility, focal distance. Focal distance. X plus A, the formula. y square is equal to 8x. The questions are there. Focal distance is 10 unit. Find the points on the parabola. Like this they will ask. Focal distance formula keep in mind, students. X plus a. After that, after focal distance, what we need to do is one end of the focal chord is 1/2 comma 1. Then find other extremity or other end. Then find other end of the focal chord. These models. So find equation of parabola, focal distance concept, and one end of the focal chord is given. Find the another one. Even sometimes they will give one equation of parabola. They are asking to find focus, center, vertex, directrix. Like this also they make answers to us. Till now they did not ask. We may expect like this. These are the possibilities from the first exercise only, dear students. In the next exercise of parabola, condition for the tangent C is equal to A by M. If the line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x. Based on this condition, we have the question. If the line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the x square is equal to 4ay, then the condition is c is equal to minus am square. And point of contact. If the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 touches the parabola y square equal to 4x, then the point of contact is n by l comma minus 2am by l. This is called the point of contact. Suppose the line point of contact only in terms of other point of contact. If the line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4x, then the point of contact a by m square comma 2a by m. From the parabola a value will come, from the line m value will come. So not only this one, find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent with slope m. Here indirectly they will use slope. Tangent makes an angle 60 degrees with axis. So m value we have from parabola. Also they will give y square is equal to some 8x they will give. Compare with y square equal to 4x, a is equal to 2 will come now. A value 2. 60 degrees means theta equal to 60. Tan 60. Tan theta m is equal to. What is tan 60? Root 3. So m value is there, a value is there. Formula for equation of tangent y is equal to mx plus a by m. This is equation of tangent with slope m and a. With slope m. You remember, dear students? This is the way they will ask the question. Even one question recently they asked in the public examination in TS. Find the equation of normal which is parallel to the given line. Find the equation of normal to the parallel, which is parallel to the given normal. Y is equal to mx minus am square minus 2am cube. This type of question. Recently it is given from the given line, m value you can calculate, a value, m value we have. So a value from the parabola equation. Find the equation of normal. Find the equation of normal which is parallel to given line, whatever the line it may be. So y equal to mx minus am square minus 2am cube. This type of question. So these are the possibilities for the parabola distance. Especially condition for the tangent c is equal to a by m, and condition for the tangent for x square is equal to 4a by c is equal to minus am square. Point of contact n by l comma minus 2am by l. Equation of tangent and normal also we can calculate. What is equation of tangent? S1 equal to 0. That is y by 1 minus 2a into x plus x1, dear students. Tangent equation for the parabola. They will give one equation of parabola. And point also, point x1 y1. What is normal equation? This is tangent. Normal equation is y minus y1 equal to minus 2a by y1 into x minus x1. Normal equation. This is not this one. Minus y1 by 2a. Normal equation. This is the tangent equation. This is normal equation. You can. Normal. Now we will enter into hyperbola. Fifth topic, hyperbola. In hyperbola, we have standard questions 3 to 4. Very good questions, which are question number 5, hyperbola. In the hyperbola, first one, the problem based on 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square equal to 1. They will give eccentricity of hyperbola. They are asking to find eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola, e1. So based on this, you have. Otherwise, straightforward question also, prove that this result. That also they will ask. For 2 marks or 4 marks sometimes. Next, the angle between the asymptotes, theta equal to 2 into secant inverse of E. Then find E. The angle between the asymptotes is 30 degrees. Then find eccentricity. Like this they will ask. The product of length of perpendicular from center of the hyperbola to the asymptotes is a square b square by a square plus b square. This is very important. Product of perpendiculars. Once you go through that exercise, these questions are there. Okay. Next, they will give eccentricity of E is equal to 5 by 4 or 5 by 3. Find E1. Based on this, you can apply. And after writing these three, they will give L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0 as the asymptotic equations. Asymptotes. Asymptotic equations. Find the equation of hyperbola. So that time L1 into L2 plus K equal to 0. So how to get K value means this is passing to the given point. They will give given point x1, y1. Substitute in this and get the value of K, simplify and get it answer. For writing this formula 1 mark and K value, after getting K value, substitute in this and simplify, you get the another equation. That is asymptotes equation, dear students. Okay, these are the possibilities we have in the equation of tangent, equation of normal also. Sometimes they will ask equation of normal at parametric equations in terms of theta. I think one time they asked in the normal equation and tangent equation. Normal at P of theta and tangent at P of theta. Parametric equation, the hyperbola is what? A secant theta, B tan theta. Based on that, you write the normal equation and tangent equation. These two also important difference. So based on this, you can get it the answers. 2 marks questions from this, guarantee you will get it. Now, I will enter into indefinite integration. Number of possibilities are there in indefinite integration. Just I will write some examples. What type of questions they may chances to ask the questions, whether it is in AP or TS. Just some examples I will give it. Especially based on the trigonometry, based on the formulas, standard formulas and all. Now, question number 6 and 7. VSAQ segment only little big. After that, SAQs, LAQs easy to explain, dear students. Here only number of possibilities are there. In the question number 6 and 7, first the problems which are related to the standard one. The first exercise, if you go that the 6A exercise, first exercise, integral a power x minus b power x whole square divided by a power x into b power x. Integral secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Like these questions. The problems which are based on trigonometry, especially integral e power log 1 plus tan square x dx. Integral 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus 1 plus cos 2x 1 plus cos 2x divided by sin x dx. Based on this, you can do it. And one more. Generally, like 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Integral 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x dx. Substitution method, dear students. X plus 1 by x equal to t, then this value will become dt. Like this, you can do that. Next, substitution integration. E power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Next, this is also application. X power 8, integral x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 into dx. Integral x log x into dx. Integral log x dx. And the problems which are based on integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So very important, dear students. This formula based question we may expect this type of question. Number of possibilities are there. Integral e power x into, and one more, integral cos root x into dx. Integral sin root x. Integral cos of log x by x. Most some tricky questions also there. Not only cos, even sin, tan also there. And sin inverse x divided by root 1 minus x square into dx. And also the 6A and 6B exercises are there, no? Before that example, even exercise question only 70 questions are there. So before that examples also you should cover, dear students, some questions. Why? Because examples also number of times they are asked. Suppose for example 1 plus x power 6 divided by 1 plus x square is there. This is improper fraction. First convert into the proper fraction and then integrate. Example problem it is. First dividing 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square, no? After that it will become a improper fraction to proper fraction, and then each and every time integrate. Like these questions. And one more, integral sin power 6x divided by sin power 4x divided by cos power 6x into dx. Convert in terms of sin and cos. It will be already sin and cos is there, tan and secant you can convert, you will get the answer. So how to convert? Integral sin power 4x divided by cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x. Like this you can divide and then integrate. So this is the way. Number of 2 marks we cannot expect, but still I am giving some models. You can. How many here I will explain also, not enough, dear students. Based on this formula, you can. And integral f dash of x by f of x into dx. log mod f of x. Based on this you can. So for example, integral 1 by log x into log x. For example, this only. If we take this one as t, this one as t, 1 by log x dx will become dt. Like this only the answer will come. And not only this one, integral f dash of x by root f of x into dx. 2 root f of x plus c. And one more, integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here whatever I am keeping that box, that based on that the questions we may come, dear students. Based on that we may get it. So these are the problems from 6 and 7. Number of possibilities are there. Substitution method problems and like applications. Okay. So come to the definite integration. I have already given that playlist VSAQ'S of calculus part, VSAQ'S of geometry. Both it is given. Once you go through that, I will give the link in the description also. Geometry VSAQ'S, and after completing of the live session, I will give the description link. Now we will move to the definite integration. So I will rub this. In the question numbers 8 and 9, definite integration. In the definite integration, based on the properties, integral 0 to a f of x dx, integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx, based on these properties, even function, odd function based, 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx, f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. If it is 0, f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Even function, odd function based. Even here also minus a to a f of x dx. 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. F of minus x is equal to f of x. If it is 0, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Based on these properties. And integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. Not only these possibilities, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx into cos power nx into dx, and integral 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x into dx. These type of questions also they are asking. And integral 0 to 3 x by root of x square plus 3 dx, or x square plus 9, sorry 16. These type of questions, number of questions are there. Whatever we discussed here, f dash of x by f of x into dx, f dash of x by root f of x into dx, f of x whole power n and f dash of x into dx. Based on these models also, we have the questions. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan power secant power 4 theta into d theta. So secant power 4 theta can be written as secant square theta into secant square theta. One of the secant square theta in terms of tan you can write and simplify and get it answer. Integral 0 to pi root of 2 plus 2 cos theta into d theta. Based on these questions. And integral minus 1 to 0 x square by x square plus 1 into dx. Some questions, integral 0 to 2 x by x square plus 1 into dx. Once you go through that 7B exercise, dear students, 7B exercise. these are the problems which are belongs to 7D exercise. So which are related to 7C related these problems. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n x cos power n x. 7C related questions. Compare with indefinite integration, definite integration, less possibilities are there questions. We can. Other than integration problems, in the question number 9, sorry, category 7D exercise, areas problems are there, dear students. Areas under the curves. Areas under the curves. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x equal to sin x in the interval of 0, 2 pi. 2 marks question. The number of times they ask. Not only y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x also. 0 to 2 pi. For both the questions, answer is 4 units we are getting. These two possibilities. And not only this one, simple problems. Y is equal to some curve they will give. X square plus 2 or x cube plus 1. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Find the area bounded by the curve and x axis, and x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Like this, if they will give a is equal to integral 0 to 1, x is equal to a, x is equal to b. Mod y into dx, y value substitute and simplify and get it answer. Area of under the curves also, possibility is there, dear students, in the definite integration. So you can concentrate on areas under the curves, VSAQ'S also. Sometimes they are asking 2 marks question other than definite integration problems. Okay, we will come to the last concept in this differential equations. 2 marks. Differential equations. Question number 10. In the question number 10 category, differential equation, which is very important for the engineering also, dear students. Some students are neglecting, they will give as a choice in differential equations in the second year. But don't neglect according to my suggestion. Question number 10, differential equation. First possibility, the differential equation, finding order and degree. Find order and degree. First possibility question. Order and degree based questions. Next, form the differential equation. Form the differential equation. Sir, what type of questions they will ask? Y is equal to, simple question is there, a into sin 3x plus b into cos 3x. Exactly, did not remember. A is cos 3x, b sin 3x, like this it will be. Find the, form the differential equation to the corresponding given equation. In the variable separable method, 2 marks question, variable separable method. So how they will ask the question is, so dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. Simple questions, like this 2 marks question they will ask. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square means just 1 plus y square you can take into the denominator of this dy. dy by 1 plus y square equal to dx by 1 plus x square. So taking integration on both sides and then integrate. So variable separable method, 2 marks question. And homogeneous possibility, very less possibility. But in the linear differential equations, these students, linear differential equations. In this, integrating factor questions are there. E power integral p dy. If it is the linear differential equation is in terms of x, e power integral p dx. So these 2 type of questions, finding the integrating factor questions. So differential equations, once you go through the playlist also, whatever I kept. First preference, order and degree. Second one is forming the differential equation. Third one, variable separable, like this example. Fourth one, find the integrating factor for the given linear differential equation. These are the possibilities of the VSAQ'S, dear students. Now I will enter into SAQ's segment. I hope you are able to understand, dear students. So not a difficulty it is. Just I am going to rub that. number of possibilities in the VSAQ'S only. In SAQ'S, very less possibilities, dear students. I hope the board will be clear now. Previously a little black is there now. Now we will enter into section B. In the section B, question number 11, question number 12, simultaneously I will explain. In the question number 11 possibility, what questions are there to ask that? In the question number 11, in the circles I am talking about. In the first exercise, second bit if you go, find the equation of circle whose AB as a diameter, ends of the diameter is AB equation. Like x square minus 2px plus q square equal to 0, y square minus 2qy minus a square equal to 0. Like this equation is there now. It's not exact equation, that type of model. First preference. Next, find the equation of circles passing through the origin and making intercepts 2 root of g square minus c, 2 root of f square minus c, making x-intercept and y-intercept. This is x-intercept on y-axis. This is y-intercept length on by the circle. So the figure will come like this, dear students. The circle makes x-intercept with this length is equal to this one. Suppose the circle is like this, making intercept y-intercept length 2 root of f square minus c. Based on that, the question they may have chances to ask. Next, find the equation of circle passing through 2 points and center lies on the line 4x plus 3y minus 1 equal. Sometimes they are asking for 4 marks, sometimes they are asking for 7 marks. Next possibility. Find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. 4 marks question. Next, in the second bit, we have possibilities. What possibilities are there? The length of the tangents. These are the 2 circles. From this point to this tangent, from this point to this circle, the length of tangents T1, T2, 3:2. So PT1 is to PT2 is equal to 3:2. So PT1 by PT2 is equal to 3/2. What is PT1? Length of tangent. It is formula is root S11 by root S dash 11 equal to 3/2, like this way. So after that, cross multiply, squaring on both sides and do it, dear students. So question number 12 later on I will explain why, because place is not sufficient to complete it. So based on length of tangent cases, length of tangent, root S11. After that, if you go to the third exercise, length of chord. Length of chord AB is equal to 2 root of R square minus D square. Length of chord concept. Next 4 marks question. They will give one point and circle. X1, Y1. Find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent and normal. Both the equations. Find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Here only one more twist is there. One point they will give x1, y1 and s is equal to 0. Find the area of triangle formed by the point with respect to the circle with the coordinate axis also. First normal equation calculate. Normal equation. By applying the formula, x minus x1 into y1 plus f is equal to y minus y1 into x1 plus z. By applying this formula, calculate the equation of normal. This you have to convert into the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Example problem I am talking about, these students. area of triangle half c square by AB. After getting the values of ax plus by plus c, write down a, b, c values and substitute in this. Area of triangle will come with the coordinate axis. This also given in the recently 2019 or 18 the problem. Find the area of triangle formed by the normal at this point the circle. So equation of tangent, equation of normal, keep in mind. So if we come to the fourth exercise, in this exercise, one more possibility is there, dear students. In the exercise 3, find the equation of tangent which is parallel to the given line. Circle equation, I already separate playlist I kept. This is the circle equation. This is the given equation. Find the equation of tangent to the circle which is parallel to this line. How to apply? Y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root over 1 plus n square. Suppose if it is asking perpendicular tangent like this equation is wherever m is there minus 1 by m replace. Y minus y1 equal to y plus f is equal to minus 1 by m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square by 1. 1 by m square, 1 minus 1 by m whole square. If it is perpendicular, if it is parallel, both the possibilities also there, dear students, you can write it. Now I will go to the fourth exercise. In the fourth exercise, number of possibilities are there. Just I will explain. Yeah, in the fourth exercise of circles, conjugate lines. What is the condition for the conjugate lines with respect to small circle and big circle? R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2Z plus M2F minus N2. When two lines is given, L1 is equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, L1x plus M1y plus M1 equal to 0, L2x plus M2y plus M2 equal to 0. When two lines is given, with respect to the big circle, this is the formula. This formula for lines with respect to big circle. Lines with respect to the small circle. The formula is R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to M1 N2. When it is a small circle, this is the formula. When it is a big circle, S is equal to 0. General equation of circle and lines. This is the formula. Finding unknown values and all. Next, pole. When S is equal to 0, they will give. And line also they will give. Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Find pole of the line with respect to the circle. So the formula is minus g plus lr square divided by lg plus mf minus n minus f plus mr square divided by lg plus mf minus n. Dear students, you remember the denominator for this only second term of the x coordinate, second term of the y coordinate only. Keep in mind, dear students, the pole of the line with respect to the circle. When circle one line is given, they are asking to find pole. This is the way you can calculate. So in this, examples also there, dear students, before 4D exercise, that also you can concentrate and get it. Question number 11 completed. In the 5th exercise, that is 7 marks questions only, dear students. 7 marks questions only. Now we will move to the question number 12. In the question number 12, system of circles. So it is not rubbing clearly. Once again, I got this. So question number 12, the red pen only I will explain. In the question number 12, system of circles. In the system of circles, we have first possibility S plus lambda L is equal to 0. This type of questions. Next, S plus lambda S dash equal to 0. The base of these questions. Second one, find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle which cuts orthogonally. Which cuts orthogonally the following circles. So the following circles they will give here, 3 circles, this type of questions. In this type of questions only, center lies on the line. Center lies on the line, they will give. Center lies on the line. Suppose if we come to that another exercise. Find the equation of circle passing through 2 points. Find the equation of circle passing through 2 points and cuts orthogonally another circle. And cuts orthogonally another circle. And cuts orthogonally another circle. This is the way. If we come to second exercise, that means 2B is the second topic now. System of circles. In that second exercise, a radical center. A radical center. In the VSAQ segment only I explained radical center, how to do. Next one, if the circles touch each other, show that 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by c. If the 2 circles touch each other, show that f dash g equal to f g dash. These type of problems are there in the questions. Find the common chord, that another question. Find the equation of common chord and prove that common chord is diameter of second circle. Diameter of second circle. This is the way they will ask the dear students. So from system of circles, these type of questions you should concentrate. So within 1 minute I will come back. I want to take some water. I will come back within half minute. Yeah, next. After these questions, these category questions, now we will enter into ellipse. In ellipse, we have 2 questions, dear students. Generally, in what way they will ask that ellipse? What type of questions they will ask? We have two exercises now in ellipse. Question number 13 and 14. Question number 13 and 14. This is ellipse topic is 4th chapter. 4A exercise question is not given. Before 4A examples they will give. Two questions are there now. 4B exercise is there and example. Question given before 4A example. Question 4B second question. In this they won't give. This is the first preference. In the second preference, example not given means exercise question they will give. Here example 4B exercise given, 4B exercise they won't give. These are the way they are asking the questions. Observe the students. And question number 13, very important question. Number of possibilities are there to ask the question is find center, foci, LLR, latest rectum, length of latest rectum, and directric equation, axis. Like this way they will ask. Equation of directrix for the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Not only this model but also x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. So damn sure you can expect this type of question, dear students. First preference they will ask that only example question I said. Otherwise, after that, another possibility. They will give eccentricity. And equation of directrix L is equal to 0. And focus also they will give. Focus. Whenever eccentricity is available, equation of directrix is available, and focus is available, SP by PM is equal to E concept you can apply. So cross multiply SP is equal to E into PM. Cross multiplication and simplify you will get one equation that is called equation of ellipse. In the next, other than this possibility, this is the first preference is this one. Second one. Third one, distance between foci is given something and the length of latest rectum is equal to something. Then find the equation of ellipse in the standard form. Okay. Next, another possibility, distance between directrices is equal to something is given. LLR is equal to something. Then find equation of ellipse in the standard form. In the first exercise itself, the two to three questions. First 3 questions, 4 questions based on this only, students. And one more. If the length of major axis is equal to half of the minor axis, half of the length of latest rectum. Otherwise, length of latest rectum is equal to half of the length of major axis. Like this question they will ask. Then find eccentricity of the ellipse. These type of questions they are asking these students. This is the first preference of the ellipse. In that, other than this, what they will ask in the public examination, other than these questions, what we may expect. In the separate playlist, I think 6 months, 7 months back or 1 year back, I kept ellipse videos, all examples on important 4 marks questions. Once you go through the students, you will get an idea what type of questions they are asking. Question number 14, preference I am telling, e power 4 plus e square equal to 1, example problem. Next, condition proof, x square is equal to a square m square plus b square. If the line y is equal to fx plus c is to be tangent to the ellipse, then prove that. All are important concepts. And prove that if any p is any point on the ellipse, then show that sp plus s dash p is equal to 2a. This is a theorem, one of the important theorem, 2 marks, 4 marks question. Distance between sp plus s dash p is equal to 2a. Based on this, you will get it, students. Next, in this category, examples before 4b, you please go through that. Other than this, in the exercise, find the equation of tangent with slope m. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Do you remember this? Very important formula. Parallel means this one. Perpendicular, y equal to minus 1 by m into x plus or minus root of a square into minus 1 by m whole square plus b square. This is perpendicular case. Okay? This is the way they are asking, dear students. Please remember. And here one standard question. These are all standard questions. Director circle equation proof. Director circle. If I tell like this director circle, you cannot remember. If I give the equation, you can remember easily. X square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Equation of director circle. Otherwise, show that. Otherwise, like this they will ask. Show that the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the ellipse lies on a circle. That circle only this. This is called director circle. Proof they will ask. Number of times they ask. Still they are asking. And auxiliary circle based questions also they are asking. Auxiliary circle proof is also there. Exercise in the exercise 4b, third bit, first 2 questions, these related questions only. Proving this x square plus y square equal to a square, auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle proof, that is the first or second question. So you can understand it, students. This is the possibilities from 2 ellipse questions. Okay? I will move to the hyperbola question. In the hyperbola, we have the possibilities. What are the possibilities of hyperbola questions? Question number 15. More half an hour I will take, dear students, for this type of questions. More half an hour. It will take time. Now question number 15, hyperbola. First, in the VSAQ'S I said the proof of this one. In the VSAQ'S, in this case, define rectangular hyperbola also and find the eccentricity in 2 marks. Here, prove that 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square equal to 1. Prove that theta equal to 2 tan inverse of b by a, or 2 secant inverse of E. This is the proof. These are the 2 standard questions. And find center, foci, eccentricity. Find center, foci, eccentricity. Length of lattice sectum, LLR. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrices and all. So, these are the possibilities of asking the questions. Now, again, find equation of tangent parallel to given line, perpendicular to given line. Here the formulas y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square, parallel case. Perpendicular, y is equal to minus 1 by m into x plus or minus root of a square into minus 1 by m whole square minus b square. Parallel and perpendicular. So these are the possibilities they will ask. And in the hyperbola also, eccentricity they will give, dielectric equation they will give, and focus also they will give. So for this we can apply SP by PM is equal to E again. So that implies SP is equal to E into PM. Hyperbola. Based on this you can. Okay. Next. Here also director circle proof x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. Here director circle x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. Director circle proof. In the hyperbola, if the line Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0 is a tangent to the hyperbola, y square by b square, x square by a square equal to 1, then find the condition. If it is a normal, tangent and normal, both the conditions, tangent and normal. Even here also condition for the tangent, c square equal to a square m square minus b square. Condition for the tangent. So these type of questions please concentrate on in hyperbola, dear students, hyperbola. These are the possibilities. Now we will enter into definite integration. What type of questions? Definite integration we may expect. So that I am going to explain. The question number 16 is definite integration. In the question number 17, if they are not asking from definite integration by using properties, they will ask areas. Question number 16. Areas problem, areas under the curve. Or based on the problems, integral cos power 5 by 2x by 0 to pi by 2. Cos power 5 by 2x plus sin power 5 by 2x dx. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 a cos x plus b sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Find the value of this. Next possibility, integral pi by 3 to pi by 6 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x. Evaluate. Integral minus pi to pi cos x by 1 plus e power x into dx. These are the 4 possibilities. Especially concentrate on this. If not, 0 to a x square minus a square whole power 5 by 2 dx. like these questions. So substitution method, dear students. X is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. Like this we can apply this type of questions. Sometimes they are asking, so we need to concentrate on that. Examples go through once. This type of questions. Integral 0 to, so pi by 2 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x. Simple questions. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1 by 2 we take. X sin inverse x by root 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, these type of questions you can expect. Integral 0 to 1 x into tan inverse x dx, 0 to 1 or 0 to pi, whatever it may be. These type of questions you can concentrate. Areas problems are there. Areas, if you go to exercise wise, that will be good. Examples also you can prefer, dear students. Areas under the curves. In 7 marks I will give that some important questions. Now we will enter into the differential equations. In the differential equations, question number 17, we will enter into question number 17. These are the possibilities for 16th question. Now question number 17, differential equation. Question number 17, what type of question? Forming the differential equation. Form the differential equation. Second possibility, variable separable method. Variable separable method. Variable separable method. Third one, homogeneous differential equations. Next, linear differential equations in x and y. So these many possibilities are there in the differential equations. Variable separable methods questions are there. Homogeneous. Variable separable means we can separate the variables. Homogeneous, y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. Whenever we are taking y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to y. That is the difference. In the linear differential equations, they are asking to find a complete solution. Y into integrating factors and all you can calculate here. Integrating factors. E power integral p dy, e power integral p dx. So these are the possibilities of linear differential equations, dear students. So from this differential equation, these are the possibilities. If you go through the previous year's papers, that is enough. More than enough. Even complete differential equations I kept except non-homogeneous case. All our answers are there in the differential equation chapter. We can go through once. Important questions. Question by question I explained. All the questions in the exercise textbook. Now we will enter into last section. Section C. LAQs. Very, very important, dear students. Keep concentrate on long answer type questions. Now we will enter into long answer type questions. Okay. So third one, long answers, LAQs. So question number 18. What type of questions? Question number 19. What type of questions? Question number 18. Find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. Concyclic points. Concyclic points. 7 marks category. So they are asking to prove concyclic. In the concyclic also find C question. Find C. Here show that the points are concyclic. Concyclic. Here find C question also. Concyclic one. Next, in this, find the equation of circle passing through 2 points. Center lies on 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. That type of question. Find equation of circle. Find the equation of circle passing through these 3 points. Concyclic points. Recently I kept videos, dear students, in the separate playlist. LAQs of SAQs of circles, LAQs of circles, like this. You can go to. In this, one example question is there. Find the circles whose radius is root 13 and it touches at the point 1, 1. Find the equation of circles. Example problem, dear students. At the line, listen. Even this question also there in the S1 square equal to S into S11. These are the possibilities for question number 18. Question number 19. They will give 2 circles, touch each other. Find point of contact. Find point of contact. And common tangent. Okay, dear students, this is one possibility. Second possibility recently given. Show that 4 common tangents are possible. Show that 4 common tangents are possible for the 4 common tangents are possible for the given circles. And find internal center of similitude, external center of similitude. Find both. So third possibility, find direct common tangents. Fourth one, transverse common tangents. Fifth preference, the proof of S1 square equal to S into S11. Touch each other means here internally or externally. 2 questions are there, dear students, here. So these are the possibilities to ask in the public exam. Possibilities of the questions. In the 4 mark circles, I forgot to tell that angle between the tangents, tan theta by 2 equal to r by root s11. There also they will ask r by root s11, dear students. Angle between the 2 circles, I forgot here. In 4 marks, tan theta by 2 equal to r by root s11. They will ask the questions. So now question number 18 and 19 completed now. Now we will enter into the parabola. So circles, this type of questions you focus on that, compulsory it will cover. In the question number parabola, 20th question, 1894 no? In the question number 20, parabola. Parabola, what type of questions are there? Standard form of the parabola. First thing, standard form. of parabola. Proof. Y square is equal to 4x. Proof they will ask. First preference. Second preference, they will give focus. They will give directrix. L is equal to 0, directrix. And find equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. And length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum. Equation of parabola, length of latest rectum, and axis equation. Equation of axis. Equation of axis of the parabola. Second possibility. Third one, they will give like this equations, dear students. Y square plus 4y minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Find, otherwise x square plus 5x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Find center, find vertex, focus, LLR, directrix, and axis. These are the possibilities. For this they will ask. Next possibility, the area of triangle formed by the points which are lying on the parabola y square equal to 4x. 1 by 8 into y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, square units. These are the problems. And one more example is there. Find the area of triangle formed by, recently I kept in the playlist, dear students, once you go through, y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. Find the area of triangle formed by the tangents, point of intersection of the tangents to the parabola. Next, find the common tangent to the parabolas. X square is equal to 4ay, y square is equal to 4ax. X into a power 1 by 3 plus y into b power 1 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3 into b power 2 by 3 equal to 0. Equation of common tangent. Common tangent. Another one, cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to d, constant d. Then show that the locus, it lies on horizontal line. Just I am talking about the first exercise related questions only, dear students. Now, in the next exercise, for the circle x square is equal to y, x square plus y square equal to 2a square and y square is equal to 8ax parabola. Find the common tangent as x is equal to, y is equal to plus or minus x plus 2a. It's a very important question. This is one question. Another question is, in the last exercise, last bit, t1 square plus t1 t2 plus 2 equal to 0. The next one is t is equal to plus or minus root 2. Okay. And one of the question, x plus a equal to 0, directrix, equation of directrix, x plus a equal to 0. These are the possibilities in the parabola. Maximum, I covered all the questions. From this only guarantee one question. Very less questions I have given here. From this guarantee one question we will expect. So parabola is also completed. Next, indefinite, two indefinite questions I am going to explain now. Okay, dear students? Two indefinite integration. So little lengthy problems. So minimum patience is very much required, dear students. What type of questions? That too, 2B is a little, if you know the formulas, you are able to do that anything. But the thing is here, most of the students are neglecting to practice the formulas. It will be reflected in the result. Now question number 21 and 22. Question number 21 and 22, the types questions. Integral px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Next, integral px plus q divided by root ax square plus bx plus c. Integral px plus q into root ax square plus bx plus c. First preference. Second preference, integral a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x into dx. Next, a cos x plus b sin x plus c by d cos x plus e sin x plus f into dx. The next one, 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c into dx. Next one, 1 by a plus b sin x into dx. 1 by a plus b cos x. To evaluate these type of problems, sin x and cos x in terms of tan. 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Similarly, cos x, 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is the way you can, and put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So only for this models I am taking. For this, working rules are there. Numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. For this working rule, numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator plus c. For these working rules. For all these working rules are px plus q is equal to capital A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. For all these working rule. If you practice, it will be very easy to students. Only thing is you need to practice. In place of sin x and cos x, sometimes cos 2x, sin 2x also they will give that type of problems. So tan x equal to t that time. So dx equal to dt by 1 plus t square. After that, same procedure. Now I will move to another questions. These type of questions. So in another set of question I am writing. Other than this, what I am observing in this question paper, they are asking integral 1 by 1 plus x into root of 2x minus x square plus 3 into dx. These type of questions. So model is integral 1 by, previously we wrote that is different question dear students. Px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. To solve these type of problems, observe that these two values are in the denominator. One is linear, one is quadratic. Linear is equal to 1 by t, you take it and proceed dear students. Integral 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx is there. For that, px plus q is equal to 1 by t. This is the way you can do. After completing of this one, question number 22, most of the possibilities, reduction formula, integral sin power nx dx, integral cos power nx dx, there is no possibility. First preference you can give for these three, remaining is other possibilities. Cot power nx, secant power nx, cosecant power nx. For these two, integral sin power n minus 1x into sin x, integral cos power n minus 1x into cos x into dx. For other four, integral tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx, integral cot power n minus 2x into cot square x dx, integral secant power n minus 2x into secant square x, integral cosecant power n minus 2x into cosecant square x dx. This is the way we can take it. Only sin and cos whole power n minus 1 in terms of, other 4 is in terms of n minus 2. You can do it, dear students. So these are the possibilities of not only this one. Sometimes what they will ask the question is, in question number 1, question number 21 and 22, integral e power ax into sin of bx plus c, or simply sin of bx plus c into dx. Integration by parts. By using Euler formula you can go that. Euler formula, sometimes these type of questions. Okay. So integral x square plus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x square plus 4. Linear and quadratic. And quadratic irreducible. Even partial fraction question, if they want to ask, like this way they will give. So keep in mind, most of the chances are there for these only. Just better to prepare in case you need. Integral 1 by 1 plus x cube. Even for this also answers are available in our channel. Once you go to that, you will get the answers. Now question number 21, 22 is over. Now I will enter into definite integration. So definite integration, some possibilities are there. So I am going to write this. So question number 23. So we are in the last segment. More 2 questions are there to explain. In question number 23, definite integration. DI, definite integration. Integral 0 to pi x sin x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. These type of problems. Integral 0 to pi x sin cube x divided by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx is equal to pi by 2 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. These type of questions. Integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x. Find this value or show that 1 by 20 log 3 and 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square into dx. Show that this value is 1 by, what value will come here? Pi by 8 into log 2. Like this questions we may expect students. Not pi by 8. Yes. Otherwise find the value. This is 1 by 20 into log 3 that I remember. So integral 0 to. Not only this question but also 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Even like this also they make chances to ask. And integral a to b root of x minus a into b minus x into dx. Show that pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. Not only this one but also if they did not ask these questions in the area segment, find the area bounded by the ellipse. So the figure will come like this, dear students. First find out the area, after that 4 times, and also deduce the area of the circle also. Circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Area of. Next, area bounded by the parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4by. So the answer will come 16ab by 3. Example problem. Just I will draw the figure also. So this area they are asking to find. Okay, these are the areas. And one more problem is there, 64 into root 5 by 3, something like these questions are there. Area of triangle formed by the parabolas. Yes. In parabolas, in the areas also, 4 to 5 standard questions are there. So you can go through, dear students. Don't forget to do the answers. Okay? These are the problems from areas also, keep in mind. Whenever 7 marks question here, by areas if they will ask, 4 marks question compulsory definite integration only, they will ask this type of questions. Okay? Here pi by 8 into log 2 will come that answer. We will move on to the last question, differential equation. So differential equation, what are the possibilities of LAQs? So question number 24, dear students, last possibility in this. Differential equations, first preference, linear differential equation in x and y. So that equations are dy by dx plus py is equal to q, or dx by dy plus px is equal to q. These type of questions. Next, homogeneous differential equation, HDE, homogeneous differential equations. Non-homogeneous differential equation, third case. 3 cases are there, case 1, case 2, case 3. This case 3 is important for the non-homogeneous differential. How to identify? The question is belongs to non-homogeneous. The question is in this form: dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. In this, whenever a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash and b is not equal to minus a dash, x is equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. You take it this value and proceed. Whenever small x, small y in terms of capital X, capital Y we are writing, this value also will become capital dy by capital dx. So after that simplify and get it, dear friends. So first preference, linear differential equation in x and y. Examples you can prefer. Always examples. Homogeneous differential equations. In the linear differential equation example, passing through some point, finding unknown c value. Based on that they will ask. Non-homogeneous, only third case, 7 marks question. Or one question one time it is given, so you can concentrate on that model only for 7 marks. And from these 3 only we can expect in the differential equations 4 marks. I hope you understand, dear students. By 6th or 7th March, I am going to put in our channel like this little video, like 1 minute, 2 minutes video. 2015 to 2020, all the model papers also I will provide. Thank you for your support. Once you go through, any doubts are there, I will give the descriptions of VSAQ'S of geometry and calculus of Maths-2B. And in the Sunday Maths A paper, first year, I am going to like the question paper pattern, what type of question they are asking, that also I will explain. On Monday or Tuesday, Maths 2A also I will discuss. This is the day. Okay, dear students, thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra. Thank you for your support. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Jai Hind.